Oh my god, that hummus. Wow. It's garlicky. It's a bit pungent. That's so good. Okay, so today we are going to do a sort of gnocchi stir fry with some local produce. We've got courgettes, broad beans, spring onion as usual, and a little bit of, well, it was cheap, like some chorizo sort of salami thingy. So yeah, I've got some water boiling here. Let's start chopping things up. And start by chopping this up. Very nice. That goes there. Courgettes. Take off the butt. Out. And finely sliced. Well, not finely sliced. Sliced into wheels. Courgette wheels. Very nice. Now this will take a while. It's probably the last time we're going to have broad beans in dishes, because soon they will go out of season. Water has boiled. I'm going to open the gnocchi and cook the gnocchi. Now these guys, just have to plop them in, and just wait for them to come up to the surface. All the ingredients for the stir fry. Ooh, nice. These guys are starting to rise to the top. We might have to take them out sooner than I expected. That's good. Alright, we're gonna do a sort of hummus thing. So I've got this blitzer thingy. It's not exactly a food processor. I'm gonna go in with the chickpeas. Chickpeas. And we're gonna go in with the beetroots. So let's throw in a few beetroots here. Plop. 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 Maybe a bit of this water. That will look good. Okay. Fuck it. Let's throw in a bit of MSG as well. Pinch of MSG. Maybe 2 pinches of MSG. To make it very nice. Bit of salt. Okay. Bit of oil. And the lemon. So lemon juice. Okay, beautiful. Oopsie daisy. And then, you know what? Just gonna get some of that peel. Throw it in there. That would be lovely. Let's get rid of those. Bit of garlic. So, just like that. But before I start blitzing that, let's get back to our gnocchi. Gnocchi are done. Take them out of the water. Let's leave these here for a second to steam up and get rid of a bit of all that moisture before we start frying them and making them super crunchy. Okay, back to the hummus. All the ingredients are there. And just put on the lid. Okay. The brain's gone. And just press down. Oh yeah! Alright. Let's try that. Oh my god. That is friggin' delicious. Put that there. We'll come back to it later. Back to our gnocchis. We're gonna have to fry these guys. You see they kind of dried up a bit. So I'm gonna get them in the pan. Nice amount of oil because we really need them to crisp up, you know. So that goes there. Fire! Wait for that to warm up. Spread the oil. Oh my god, this dish is gonna be amazing. Just plop these there. Let me give them a nice fry. Want them nice. Those are frying up. The plan is these guys with the chorizo I'm gonna fry here. When these are nice and crunchy, they join these guys in this wok here. Give them a nice stir fry, you know. Then we're gonna get the plate. We're gonna put the beetroot hummus at the bottom as a base and everything on top. Mamma mia, pizzeria, so freaking good. Alright, these guys are cooking nicely. Of course, they need to get quite a bit of color, so it will take a minute. But yeah. Schnack. You know what? Since that's taking quite long, I'm gonna use the small hob here to start frying up the other stuff while the big hob is used to keep frying the stuff. Because the veggies don't need to fry up so fast. Once again, drop of oil. Well, a bit more than a drop of oil. Fire. Alright. You can hear them starting to crisp up. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's exactly what we want, you see? You see? Starting to crisp up. Yes! So spread that oil around. And let's go in with the veggies. So, all of it together. I don't care. Boom. We go in with the veggies. Boom. Boom. Like last hand before. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Let's season this bad boy. While that's cooking there, I'm gonna cut up this salami. Let's try one. Not bad, not bad. Beautiful. Now, I'm not sure if I want to put the chorizo with the gnocchi or with the stir. I mean, everything is gonna end up together anyway, but I'm thinking that if I throw in the chorizo with the potatoes with the gnocchi, it might actually infuse them with that nice chorizo flavor, you know? Another one escaped! Yeah, I think this guy needs a bit more fat to cook because the potatoes have absorbed the oil, so I'm gonna make the foil and throw in the chorizo with the potatoes. With the gnocchi, I don't know why I keep calling them potatoes. Just look at the color on these guys. Whoa! That was so sudden. Like a minute ago they were kind of just like chilling there. Now like, yeah, we're burning. And now they're dancing with the chorizo. Look at that beauty. Oh my god. Italy and Spain meeting in a pan. Oh, how romantic. This guy, are you cooking? Yay! I think we're close to where we want these guys. Like, let me grab one. Oh, good. Not exactly the crunch I was going for. But yeah, I think if I char them a bit more, you see, that will make them a bit crispier. But of course, I don't want to burn the chorizo too much. Yeah, it's getting risky, so I'm gonna have to take this guy off the fire. So off, goes back there. The pan anyway is hot, so it will keep cooking. It goes off, one goes there, and now we'll bring the veggies to continue cooking those. Cooking faster now on this big flame. Keep cooking them down. So I've never cooked courgettes this way, but they're giving off this sort of sugary smell. It's almost like sugar, like a caramel sort of smell, which is lovely, of course. Now, hummus is there. We've got the gnocchi ready. As they dry, as they cool down, they're actually like crisping up more. And we're gonna mix it in with the stir fry. When of course this is a bit more cooked down. Then plate it over hummus, and we're done. It's a party. You know what? Since the courgettes are taking a bit longer to cook than I expected, I might deglaze them, and they're slightly getting stuck to the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, since they still need to cook a bit further, is to add a splash of water and deglaze with water. Just that much. So what that did is, it's gonna deglaze the pan, get all those good burnt parts from the bottom off, and into the flavor, you know? Oh, beautiful. It's fantastic. Fantastic. All the water has dried up, and now it's frying again. But we got all those charred bits of the bottom. Now we're just gonna give it one final cook, mix in those, and start plating. Okay, that's done. Off the fire. Now that that is out of the way. Oh, crunchy. Go in with the stir fry. Beautiful mix. Let's serve. Bit of aceto. Okay. Now let's try this. Oh my god, that hummus. Wow. It's garlicky. It's a bit pungent. That's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Delicious. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop there because my sister's coming over in 10 minutes and I'd rather eat with her. Thanks for joining.